Unveiling Prosperity. More than just wealth. Hello, everyone. Welcome back to our English language learning series. Today, we're going to unfold the layers of a commonly heard word, prosperity. It's a term that resonates with success, wealth, and well-being. But there's more to it than meets the eye. So, let's dive in and explore the full richness of prosperity together. The word prosperity is often linked with financial success, but it's a concept that encompasses much more. It signifies a state of flourishing, thriving, and good fortune. Prosperity can be seen in various aspects of life, such as health, happiness, and relationships, not just bank balances. It's about overall well-being and the quality of life. It's fascinating to trace the roots of words. Prosperity comes from the Latin word prosperitas, which means good fortune. It entered the English language through the Old French word prosperite. The history of the word reflects the idea that prosperity is tied to positive outcomes and fortunate circumstances. Across the world, different cultures interpret prosperity in varied ways. Some may place a heavier emphasis on material wealth, while others might prioritize spiritual well-being or community health. The concept of prosperity is often tied to cultural values and societal goals, making it a rich and diverse term that goes beyond a one-size-fits-all definition. Now, let's get practical. To understand a word fully, you need to see it in context. Here are some examples. The new policies promised to bring prosperity to the struggling region. After years of hard work, she finally enjoyed the fruits of prosperity. They valued emotional prosperity over material gain, focusing on relationships and personal growth. While prosperity and wealth are often used interchangeably, they are not identical. Wealth is a component of prosperity but doesn't cover its full scope. Prosperity includes happiness, health, and the overall condition of a person's life, while wealth is purely the abundance of valuable resources or material possessions. English is rich with idioms, and prosperity makes an appearance in some of them. For instance, to prosper is often used to wish someone well, as in, "May you prosper in your new venture." Such phrases underscore the idea of wishing overall success and well-being, not just financial gain. I hope this exploration of prosperity has enriched your understanding of the word and its usage in the English language. Remember, prosperity is not just about what you have, but also about what you feel and experience in your life's journey. Until our next lesson, may you find prosperity in all areas of your life. Thank you for watching, and don't forget to practice using this newfound knowledge in your daily conversations.